Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'll reveal how I monetized my channel with over 100 videos without creating any of them myself. Yes, you heard that right. I downloaded all the videos, uploaded them to my channel, and still faced no issues. Stick around because the most crucial tip is at the end. You don't want to miss it. First, let's talk about Creative Commons licenses. You've probably seen or used videos under this license, but there's more to it. When you upload a video, you can choose between two licenses: standard YouTube license and Creative Commons. The Creative Commons license allows others to reuse your content as long as they follow the license terms. To find Creative Commons videos, search on YouTube, filter by Creative Commons, and ensure the video description mentions the Creative Commons Attribution License. This ensures the video is genuinely available for reuse. Now here's the secret to avoiding copyright strikes and successfully monetizing reused content. Follow these 4 steps. The first method is change the length. Add your intro and outro to make the video slightly longer or shorter. Secondly, change the frame. Include your clips or images, or crop the original video. And in the third point, add your presence. Record your commentary, or create a voiceover. And at last, add value in it. Use tools like CapCut to add watermarks or annotations. These modifications make the video your own and comply with YouTube's policies on reused content. Ensure you always give proper credit to the original creator in the description. Worried about the risks? If the original creator changes their license, it could cause issues, so analyze the creator's consistency. If they've been using Creative Commons for years, they're likely to continue. Remember, simply copying and pasting content won't help. You need to remix and add your touch to avoid issues with reused content. This method is not just about evading copyright strikes, but about genuinely adding value and making the content your own. So, get started, follow these steps, and watch your channel grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips and tricks.